All right, everyone, welcome back. Taking a quick look at Render token here. So you did retake the FTX high here with this massive green candle here, and you also got above where you got stuck back here. So as long as you hold 117, you're good for a push higher on Render. If that is the case, if you end up holding 117 and you bounce higher, you're looking at 157 for your next stop. So a 35, almost a 36% move if you hold 117 here. If for some reason this is your top, I don't know where my mouse went, there we go. So if for some reason this is your top and you end up losing 117, you really need to hold the 786 down here at 92 for about a 20% drop for support, to bounce or kind of consolidate here and push higher at a later date. But if you end up losing that, you can see the 618 down here is your next stop at 77, and you're looking at a 33.5% drop on Render here. But if you lose the 786, you can see that you will fall back below your high from the FTX crash back here. So that would not be a good thing. You really want to hold 117 and then ultimately 92 there on Render. But you can see the MACD, it's still bullish on the MACD. The RSI is curled down at the moment from the overbought area. The Heikin-Ashi candles are trending up, but you can see this one right here is getting smaller. So the uptrend is kind of slowing down here, but we'll see how it plays out. Like I said, until you see the MACD line start to curl down, you're still good for a push higher. But if that is your top, watch those two prices to the downside as we spoke of. And I was reading the chat on CoinMarketCap, and apparently they recently partnered with Apple, so that's a very good thing. But always be cautious of buy the rumor, sell the news. These things always, when the news finally does come out off of the rumor, that's usually your top, and this thing starts to come back down. So just be very cautious of that. A lot of people are calling for, since the partnership, for a $10 to $15 render, and the top up here you see is about 680 at this 2618. And I did the calculation for the current circulating supply, and if this thing gets to about $10, that's going to be a little over $1.5 billion market cap. So I would say $10 is doable on Render, as long as they don't unlock a lot of tokens into circulation, of course. So, it's possible, but, do your own research on these things if you're thinking about investing. The only thing I can do here is show you the support we got, the potential next target, and the targets you need to hold to remain bullish on Render here. So with that said, if you do end up coming down, you may end up doing a move kind of like this for a bounce, or you may even come down here and do something like this, hit the 618, get rejected at 92 at the 786, and then fall off the table. So any of those scenarios are definitely in play for Render here. So just watch the prices we discussed there, and we'll see how it plays out. So with that said, not financial advice, thanks for watching, everyone. Peace out.